Apple is getting ready to fix one of the biggest problems in smartphones today, overheating. With the new iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max, Apple plans to use a new cooling system called a vapor chamber. This system will help keep the phones cool, even when you're playing games, recording videos, or using heavy apps. The idea of Apple using a vapor chamber is not new. Back in 2021, a famous analyst named Ming-Chi Kuo said Apple was thinking about adding this cooling feature to the iPhone 13, but at that time, it didn't happen. Then last year, Kuo shared another update. He said Apple was working on this feature again, but this time for the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, now in 2025. Several new reports say the same thing. Earlier this year, more sources confirmed that Apple is serious about adding this new cooling system. The reason is simple. Apple's new A19 and A19 Pro chips will be more powerful than ever, which means they'll also produce more heat. And to handle that heat, Apple needs a better way to cool the phone. A well-known tipster named Majin Buu also shared a new leak that the vapor chamber will be part of these new iPhones. To understand why this is important, let's first look at how Apple cools its phones right now. In the iPhone 16 series, Apple uses graphene sheets. These sheets help pull heat away from the chip and spread it to other parts of the phone where it can cool down. Apple also made a small change to the battery. The iPhone 15 had a thin foil layer on its battery. The iPhone 16 replaced that with a metal covering, which spreads heat better inside the phone. Along with this, Apple uses the glass and metal parts of the phone's body to naturally release heat into the air. But as iPhones get faster processors and better displays, they also get hotter. That's why Apple now needs an even better solution. And that's where the vapor chamber comes in. So, what is a vapor chamber? A vapor chamber is a small, flat, sealed metal box inside the phone. It holds a little bit of liquid when the phone heats up, like when you're playing a game or recording 4K video. The liquid inside the vapor chamber turns into vapor. This vapor spreads around the chamber and carries heat with it. When the vapor cools down, it turns back into liquid. This process keeps repeating, and it moves heat away from the chip quickly. You can think of it like a tiny, silent air conditioner. Inside your phone, it cools things down fast without making any noise. This is a big deal because when phones get too hot, they slow down to protect themselves. This is called throttling. With a vapor chamber, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max can stay cooler and keep working at top speed, even when doing hard tasks like gaming, video recording, or running AI apps. According to Majin Buu, this new system is necessary because the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max will have faster chips and brighter, better displays. These things will make the phone hotter than the regular iPhone 17 models. The regular iPhone 17 and the rumored iPhone 17 Air will still use the older cooling methods, like graphene sheets and metal parts. If this vapor chamber system works well, it will make a big difference. People using the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max will notice their phones stay cooler, even during heavy use. This means you'll have a smoother experience with less lag, a phone that feels better to hold, and possibly a longer-lasting battery because heat can damage batteries over time. Of course, we should remember that tipster Majin Buu doesn't always get everything right, so we'll have to wait for Apple's official announcement. But with so many leaks saying the same thing, it looks very likely that this new cooling system is coming to the iPhone 17 Pro series. This might not be a flashy feature like a new camera or display, but it's an important upgrade. A cooler phone means better performance, a more comfortable feel in your hand, and better battery health over time. As smartphones get more powerful, managing heat smartly is becoming more important than ever. So when Apple announces the iPhone 17 Pro series, don't just look at the cameras or the screen. Pay attention to what's inside because this vapor chamber might be the secret hero that keeps everything running fast and smooth.